Good morning students. Today we study 10th standard science chapter 6 life process. It's a part 3 video, it's a POP. So what we studied yesterday class? ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಕಲ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು autotrophic nutritions, then how to get autotrophic nutritions due to photosynthesis. ಯಾವುದು autotrophic nutrition ಗೆ example plant is a major example. So next time ಕಲ್ತ್ವಿ heterotrophic nutritions. Heterotrophic nutrition ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಂತ? Which depended the organism which depended on the autotrophic organism. ಯಾವುದು autotrophic nutrition produce ಮಾಡ್ತದೋ ಅದರ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿರುವ ಆರ್ಗಾನಿಸಮ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ? heterotrophic organisms. Okay, next ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಕಲ್ತ್ವಿ? how to get nutrition from the autotrophic organism. autotrophic organism ಇಂದ ಹೇಗೆ heterotrophic organism ಫುಡ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಸೆಲ್ ಆರ್ಗಾನಿಸಮ್ಸ್, ಮಲ್ಟಿಸೆಲ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆರ್ಗಾನಿಸಮ್. ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಸೆಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫುಡ್ ಹೇಗೆ ತಗೊಳ್ತದೆ? ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವುದು? ಅಮೀಬಾ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಸೆಲ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆರ್ಗಾನಿಸಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗಿರ್ತದೆ? ಫಂಗೈ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ, ಬ್ರೆಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಟ್ಟು ಬ್ರೆಡ್ ಹಾಳಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಫಂಗೈ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಗ್ರೋತ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಕಲ್ತ್ವಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಒನ್, ದ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ಸ್ಟೊಮಾಟಲ್ ಪೋರ್. ಸ್ಟೊಮಾಟಲ್ ಪೋರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಂತ? ಸ್ಟೊಮಾಟಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಂತ? ಕ್ಲೋರೋಫಿಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಂತ? ಕ್ಲೋರೋಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಂತ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೊಮಾಟಲ್ ಪೋರ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಯಾವಾಗ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಎಂತ ರೀಸನ್, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ we study the nutrition in human beings, especially human beings. So human beings ಅಲ್ಲಿ nutrition ಹೇಗೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ? ಹೇಗಾಗ್ಬೋದು? Can you imagine? So I will draw a small diagram. So you should watch this clear diagram on your textbook ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಅದನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ. So this is the mouth. So mouth has and it is a respiratory bronch. Then it is a long pipe is called as a esophagus. The long pipe is called esophagus. Next, what is that? There is a stomach. This one is a stomach. Then this right side there is this is stomach and this is a gallbladder. It is a gallbladder. The gallbladder has a small tiny part, it called bile duct. A small tiny part is bile duct. Next is a small portion. This small portion is called as a liver. A small portion is liver. Then there is the colored part. This colored area untalla idanne heltare pancreas. Next, when esophagus move to stomach, then allinda ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಪೈಪ್ ಕಾಣ್ತದೆ, just this pipe and interconnected to this. So ಈ both are ಕರೀತಾರೆ small intestine. ಇಂತ small intestine. Next, there is a big this one is a large intestine. There is the anus and it is a appendix. So this is the human nutrition, the body structure. So ಹೇಗೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ? how food control to undergo digestion, ಹೇಗೆ digestion ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಹೇಗೆ food protein ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಹೇಗೆ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. So in this class we study step by step how food can be digested. So first into ಬರ್ತೇನೆ, alimentary canal is a long extending procedure. ಎಂತದಂತೆ? alimentary canal, ಈ ಜೀರ್ಣಕ್ರಿಯೆ ಉಂಟಲ್ಲ, alimentary canal, it's a long extending because it from mouth to anus. From it procedure comes from mouth to anus. So this is a long extending procedure. Next, mouth, there is saliva, fluid and salivary gland. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? mouth, saliva, fluid, salivary gland. So ಇದು linking words. ಹೇಗಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫುಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬರ್ತದೆ? ಫುಡ್ ನಾವು ತಿಂತೇವೆ, we eat food. Then mouth has a teeth. ಮನುಷ್ಯನಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು teeth ಉಂಟು? So normal human has 32 teeth. So their teeth are chewing the food. Food ಅನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? chew ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. It can chew, crush. The crushed food is mixed with the saliva. It mixed with what? Saliva. What is this saliva? Then it is turned as a fluid. ಈ saliva ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ saliva is a liquid. ನಮ್ಮ ಮೌತ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಯಾವಾಗ ಮಾತಾಡುವಾಗ, ನೀರು ಕುಡಿಯುವಾಗ, just anything, it is liquid. So when we eat a solid food or also liquid food. Solid food ತಿಂದ್ರು, liquid food ತಿಂದ್ರು, they can mix it with saliva. It converted as a fluid. If food, rice, wheat, some vegetables, meat, egg, etc. ಯಾವುದು ತಿಂದ್ರು ಅದು ಈ ಸಲೈವದೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್ ಆಗಿ ಫ್ಲೂಯಿಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So this saliva, where did this one is produced? ಈ saliva ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ? This saliva is produced in the salivary gland. That salivary gland. This salivary gland produce saliva. It mixed with chewing food, the crushed food, and it turned as a fluid. So ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ಅದು ಕ್ರಶ್ ಮಾಡಿ salivary gland ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಫುಡ್ ನೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ saliva ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಫ್ಲೂಯಿಡ್ ಆಯಿತು. So next, complex food is converted as a simple one. Then it is an enzyme is called as a salivary amylase. ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ನಾವು ಫುಡ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇವಲ್ಲ, so this one same, this step is explained another one and another way. And this one, the complex food, what we eat, rice, wheat, anything. This one is converted as a simple food. ಈ ಫುಡ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಫುಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. So this is mixed with saliva. What which it is called as a enzyme. This enzyme what is a salivary amylase. ಈ ಸಲೈವದೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಫುಡ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಎಂಜೈಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ salivary amylase. ಇದು salivary amylase ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ಫುಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಫುಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ salivary amylase enzyme ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್ ಆಗಿ ಫ್ಲೂಯಿಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. This is simple. What? So ನಮಗೆ ಏನಿತ್ತು? ಈ enzyme which is contains salivary amylase. Okay? Next, the salivary amylase means the starch is converted as sugar. You know, this starch is converted as sugar. How? Is salivary amylase is a fluid. So we take a food, rice, wheat, it is a starch. It is a complex form starch. When it is mixed with the saliva, is called as this enzyme is called as a salivary amylase enzyme. Then it is turned as a fluid. ಈ ಫ್ಲೂಯಿಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದಲ್ಲ ಫೈನಲಿ, ಆ ಫುಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಶುಗರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಶುಗರ್. ಸೊ ಫುಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ enzyme salivary amylase, it is called as the sugar. So what happened? So mouth is a contain sugar. That means it's a fluid content. Next, esophagus. Next move on to esophagus. What is esophagus? It is a long pipe. This is a long pipe. It connects from mouth to a stomach. It connected from the mouth to the stomach. It is a long pipe, extended pipe. So esophagus, through esophagus, this food, sugar is passes through a stomach. Yadu sugar passes to stomach. When food enters to the stomach, it can expand it. ಯಾವಾಗ ಫುಡ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟಮಕ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಎಂಟರ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, the stomach is expanding. Otherwise it will shrink. So the expanded stomach, and it contains at wall there has a gastric gland. ಇದಂತೆ. So esophagus in the stomach ಗೆ ಫುಡ್ ಬಂತು, ಫುಡ್ ಆದಾಗ ಸ್ಟಮಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. And this stomach stomach at wall has a gastric gland. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ wall ಅಲ್ಲಿ gastric gland. This gastric gland has a gastric juice. ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ stomach. Which one? This one. At the wall, this is the wall. At the wall, it has a gastric gland. It has a juice. This is called a gastric juice. This gastric juice nothing but it is producing HCl for digesting. HCl and what is HCl? HCl means hydrochloric acid. It's one of the chemical. So what happened? Stomach at the wall has a gastric gland. This gastric gland produces gastric juice. What are the function of that juice? That juice is release hydrochloric acid for digesting. For food digest ಆಗಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, simple form ಆಯಿತು. Simple form of the food ಅಲ್ಲ, next digest full mix grind up ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. So grind up ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಈ hydrochloric acid release ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. ಯಾವುದು? Gastric juice. So this gastric juice is called as a pepsin and mucus. What? Pepsin and mucus. So ಇನ್ನೇನಾಯಿತು? gastric juice ಆಯಿತು, hydrochloric preparation ಆಯಿತು, digesting ಆಗ್ತದೆ. What is the pepsin and mucus? Otherwise, if HCl is not therefore produced, then we feel acidity. ನಮ್ಮ stomach ಅಲ್ಲಿ HCl produce ಆಗಂದ್ರೆ we feel acidity. This is acid content is less. Then pepsin ಆಯಿತು, mucus ಆಯಿತು. Then what is a pepsin? Pepsin, it is a what the function? What are the function of pepsin? That means the acidic medium facilitate action on enzyme. ನಮ್ಮ enzyme ಯಾವುದು? Salivary amylase with the food. A salivary amylase mixed with food, there is a fluid contain that enzyme ನೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಈ acidic medium ಜೊತೆ ಅದು acidic medium facilitate ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. ಈ acidic medium ಅನ್ನು ಯಾರು ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು? gastric glands. ಅದನ್ನ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ? pepsin and mucus. They contain pepsin and mucus. ಈ HCl acidic medium ಈ enzyme ಬರ್ತಲ್ಲ food ಯಾವುದು? ನಾವು ತಿಂದ food, that this food mixed with the what? This food mixed with the acidic medium, that it facilitate action of the enzyme. ಅದರೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ react ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ facilitate ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. Next what happened? Pepsin acidic medium with enzyme react ಆದರೆ mucus ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ? When mucus, it is a protect the inner lining of the stomach. That means ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ mucus which protect inner lining of the stomach. ಯಾಕೆ? Because otherwise stomach will be damaged, because at the wall is a gastric gland which produce acidic medium. If whole stomach is contain acid, though our stomach is damaged and we feel ill health. So that times this mucus protect inner lining of the stomach. ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ? inner lining of the stomach protect ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. Next it enter to liver and pancreas. Next ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ? liver and pancreas ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Did you understand? So I will explain one more time. Listen carefully. So the alimentary canal is a long extending procedure. Then the food which we are eat through mouth, so it is chewed by teeth. Then it is mixed with saliva and it is converted as a fluid. This saliva is produced by the salivary gland. Salivary gland saliva produce ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. So now eat ಮಾಡಿದ food is a complex food and it is converted as a simple one through teeth. Mix grind ಮಾಡ್ತದಲ್ವಾ? So if this is simple food is mixed with saliva, that enzyme is called as a salivary amylase. ನಮ್ಮ ಫುಡ್ ಸಲೈವದೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಆ ಎಂಜೈಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ? salivary amylase. Then esophagus, the enzyme, that means the enzyme which contains salivary amylases and food, then it is moved to the esophagus, then it is reaches to stomach. The stomach is expanded when food enters to it. Then the stomach at the wall contains a gastric gland, right? This gastric gland has a gastric juice which produces a hydrochloric acid for digesting. Then it has a pepsin and mucus. It's a fungus. It contains pepsin and mucus. Now what happened? Pepsin is maintain acidic medium to facilitate action of the enzyme. acidic medium ಬಂದ food enzyme ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ರೆಡಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. At the same time, mucus it protect the inner lining of the stomach. ಅದು inner lining of stomach ಅನ್ನ protect ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. At last, they next move to the liver and the pancreas. Next study, what happened when it reaches to the small intestine, liver and pancreas. In next, when food enters to liver and pancreas, small intestine, what happened? We study what happened when food enters to liver. So, food enters to a liver. Liver has a bilage juice. It acting on fats. Now, if in the food there fat ಇರ್ತದೆ, proteins ಇರ್ತದೆ, carbohydrates ಇರ್ತದೆ, then other vitamins, minerals are contained. So, these minerals and fats which gives us energy, right? So, at liver has a bilage juice. What is that? You can see in diagram. This is liver. It contains bilage, which this produces bilage juice. So this bilage juice can acting on fats. So where and how this can be studied later. Next, what happened next at pancreas? Pancreas has pancreas juice. Its protein is emulsified. That means pancreas into pancreas juice. This pancreas juice, what is the function of the pancreas juice? The pancreas juice the function enta. What is the function? That means the pancreas juice, it is the food contain proteins. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ enta liver has a fat, actually fat. So pancreas it convert the protein as a emulsify. Emulsify andre emulsion andre enta. What is emulsion? Emulsion is like the water surface. Above the water surface there is a layer like oil layer. You can see that oil, and when you mix oil and water, they never can mix up. It shows like slightly, just bubbles like. That is a emulsion. So this protein is emulsified. Which is emulsified? Pancreas, right? This pancreas juice emulsified the protein. So then, let's study. So small intestine is the longest part. What is that? This is the small intestine. So it is full, swivel and twisted. So we can measure the length of the small intestine. If each and every animal has a different length of the different types of the small intestine. So I can give example. Cow. So cow eats grass, right? This is a vegetarian animal. So the cow has it is small intestine length is a very small. ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ which one eats vegetarian has a intestine size is small. Then in case of animal like tiger, lion, so they eat meat, right? So they need more energy. They get more energy. So the pancreas size is a very big and the length is long. So in case of human, the small intestine is a longest part and its length is long, and it contains a enzyme food is a large globule. Andre now ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಮಕ್ ಇಂದ ಫುಡ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಆ ಫುಡ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಇಂಟೆಸ್ಟೈನ್ ಎತ್ತಿದಾಗ the pipe length is a thickness is very small. That means the food enzyme food ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ large globules. Large globules means that this one is its structure is so. What happened? Again the large globule is intestine ಮೂಲಕ pass ಆಗ್ತದಾ? No. So that time the liver has a bilage juice, right? This bilage juice large globule is converted as a small globule. ಎಂತ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ? Large globule ಅನ್ನ small globule ಆಗಿ convert ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. So what happened? This small globule which is act on the intestine. So that can easily passes through intestine. Bilage juice acting on the fats, right? So it is divided into fats from the what? Our whole enzyme food. The enzyme food in the fat and divide body, it is converted small globule. So then it easily passes through a small intestine. So intestine happened when intestine reaches the at the wall, it contains some enzyme. This enzyme convert protein as a amino acid. What? Protein illa bantu pancreas juice protein converted as emulsified. The emulsified protein anna intestine yadakkai convert ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ? It converted as a amino acid. First, second one carbohydrate. Though intestine separate the food enzyme as a carbohydrate, protein and fat. So these can be in a large globule. It can be small globule and converted by the bile juice and the pancreas juice. If bile juice ಮತ್ತು pancreas juice ಅದು small globule ಆಗಿ convert ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ, so ಈಗ carbohydrate ಅನ್ನ intestine glucose ಆಗಿ convert ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. So glucose means C6H12O6 is a chemical form. So this glucose it gives us energy, right? So photosynthesis alli yav produce agudu carbohydrate. Then when we eat carbohydrate, when it reaches to small intestine, it converted as a glucose, which gives us energy. Then the fat, which produced by bile juice, the fat is converted as a fatty acid and glycerol. Fat yadagi convert agtade? Fat is converted as fatty acid and glycerol. So then these move to a inner lining of this small intestine. It has a numerous fingers. It's called a villi. So it really move agtade these, which one? Amino acid, glucose, then fatty acid or glycerol. So these type foods are these enzymes. These are moved to a inner lining of a small intestine. Small intestine inner lining will move agi. Adaralli it has numerous fingers. So it contains numerous fingers, which is called as a villi. So what is the function of villi? So adella villi ge bantu. So villi function enta? The villi which supplied to blood vessels and all of cells. That means is villi ge bantala glucose, amino acid, glycerol, fatty acid, etc. So these foods, these energies, this is supplied to a blood vessel. So blood vessel through the blood it passes through all cells of our body, so which gives us a energy. So how to get energy from the body through a villi? So what happened then? Remaining waste food, the waste food is removed through a anus. The waste food is removed through a anus. So I will explain one more time. When food reaches to liver, it has a bile juice. It acting on the fats. Adu fat protein act agtade. Then it is pancreas. What is the function of pancreas? The pancreas has a pancreas juice. It converts protein as a emulsified protein anna emulsified protein agi convert ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. Then small intestine. The small intestine is the longest part. A small intestine is the longest part and it has a large globule. Adu large globule molecule iruttade. So it cannot enter to the small intestine. So that time the bile juice convert large globule into small globule to act as intestine. So intestine act ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ large globule ಆಗಿರೋ food enzyme ಅನ್ನ ಅದು small globule ಆಗಿ bile juice convert ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. So that means when enter to the intestine, the food is enzyme converted as a first protein, carbohydrate and fat. Food divide ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Carbohydrate, protein and then fat. So when enter to that, after entering the protein, emulsified protein alla, the emulsified protein is converted as amino acid and carbohydrate is converted as a glucose and fat is converted as a fatty acid, right? So what happened next? These enzymes, amino acid, glucose and fatty acid, glycerol, these are moved to a inner lining of the small intestine. Small intestine na inner lining alli move agi, then it has a numerous fingers. Allike numerous fingers iruttade. That is called a villi. So what happened? Through the villi, the food enzymes are passes through a supplied to blood vessels and all of cells. So body ಎಲ್ಲ cell and blood vessel ಗೆ through they pass the energy or food enzyme. So the waste material of the food is removed through a annus. Waste material removed through a annus. So in this class we studied the nutrition in human beings.